Hello, this is Shay M. I'm happy to have another video. I promised you a video on Thursday. I was trying to get the video up and running earlier part of Thursday, but I was having some problems earlier. But I'm really excited by giving you the video still before midnight. And I'm so excited because the subject is about how to get free hair products and they don't cost you anything, plus free shipping. I know you say, Shay, how you do that? First of all, I want to tell you, I notice I look a little different than my first couple of videos because I get my hair done and it's finger waves, and you can see I went to the salon, and then you can see the back. I don't know, I'm gonna turn this way so you can see. Well, being said, I didn't get my hair cut. It's a finger wave, so it just waved in here. So my hair haven't been cut or anything. I just wanted to share with you, I went to the salon, but I noticed that anytime that after you go to the salon, you still have to do the maintenance everyday maintenance on your hair. So that means you have to buy products to take home, and sometimes having those products can cost quite a bit. So I came up with a method of how to get those products for free and free shipping. I know you said, wow, how's that? Well, I'm gonna let you know. Before I start, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, this video is about how to get free hair care products with free shipping. So what I begin is, first of all, I do surveys, and it's another part I wanted that is not a survey company. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. But I do surveys about 15 to 30 minutes a day per survey. It depends on what method you want to do. This is how I do it. 15 to 30 minutes of my day on each survey company. It's 3 on here that I want to mention, and it's one that's not a survey company that I want to mention. But what I do is that, and I let it build up to the cash out. And when I cash out, I always cash out Amazon gift cards. I'm an Amazon Prime member. So by me being a Prime member, so hey, the same products that I could get in the stores, I could get on Amazon most likely. And with the stores, everything that's going on with coins shortage and crowds, and you have to wear your mask in and all that, you don't have to deal with that if you're an Amazon Prime member and you do a little surveys here and there and build it up to an Amazon gift card. Voila, you got free hair care products. Like, what? And free shipping. So I wanted to share that with you. This is my method. Like I said, everybody's budget is crazy and everything. So you want to stretch that dollar as much as possible. So this is my method of how to get hair care maintenance products for free. I'm gonna give you an example, and not just that, all links are listed up below about all the surveys and the other company I'm about to tell you about. All links are listed below. But like again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The first one I want to tell you about is Payview Point. It's free to join. They have surveys, but it's invitation only, or they're by email. Or you could check when you join and check from time to time and see if they have one available. They are real good. Like I said, surveys are short. Depending on what the subject matter, they could pay up to $5 per survey. I had no problem with them. The cash out is $15. So usually I work with them. Like I say, I check on the email or, go on the site and see if they have anything available. And they do. I fill that out. And then the cash out is $15. When you reach 15, you have the choice. You have two other choices, and then you have the Amazon gift card. The other choices are PayPal, Walmart, and the Amazon gift card. I always choose the Amazon gift card. So I choose the Amazon gift card at cash out. So what I do, I go on Amazon. Like I said, I'm an Amazon Prime member. I go on their site, and I pick out the hair care products that I need. So I'm going to give you an example of what I usually get. So I know at that time, or now, I needed some spritz. I knew I was going to need some spritz because I was going to get my hair, all fixed up, And so I needed some spritz. So I'm just giving this example. This is not paid endorsement and all that. This is spritz that I needed. So like I said, I had cashed out with Payview Point for $15, and I got the Amazon gift card, $15. Load the gift card on Amazon site. So I know I needed some spritz. So they had the spritz I needed. I said, I like this. This is Design Essentials. So I'm just saying, this is what I use. And it was $11. $11, okay. Got the spritz. And I needed it right away. So I wanted to get something else, but like I said, that was going to be over the point. So I said, well, I know I get this for free. So put it on there, $11, bam. Got this for free. Still had $4 left from the Amazon gift card. Shipping, free. Got the item I wanted. Simple. Did surveys, took out 15 to 30 minutes per day, per survey of my time. But on one survey company, $15 cash out, Payview Point. Got this for $11. $4 left, free. Free shipping. As simple as that. I wanted to share this with you because this is a method I use to get the things that I need. And I was like, I gotta share this. This thing I'm talking about is really for all hair types because of the method. The products, give an example is, I know it's black hair care products, but it's not about that. It's about the method. Anybody can use this method and what I'm telling you about. So the next company is Inbox Dollar. Like I said, you free to join. You do surveys, you watch videos. They have different tasks that you do. It's pretty good. They've been around for a good while. Like I said, all links will be below. Their cash out is $30. And you could hit the Amazon gift card. And I'll give you another example. So I had $4 left, remember, from the gift card, right? So by the time it's time for the Inbox Dollar cash out. So that means their cash out is $30. So I had $30 plus the $4 left over. So that's $34 to spend. gift cards, Amazon gift cards. So at that time, I needed another item. And I said, okay, what do I need next? And I needed some oil sheen for my hair. So I went on Amazon site because I'm an Amazon Prime member. Looked this up. Like, this is a Design Essentials. This they oil sheen. It was $11 as well. Got it. $11. Still have money left on my gift card. Got this for free. Free shipping. Simple as that. 1 week, this free shipping. Like I said, it depends on how you do the gift cards. How you do the surveys. Next week, this was free. If I would have did the surveys, had more time to do the survey, I could have got them both at the same time. But the thing is, I got them both for free shipping. Because I'm an Amazon Prime member, and I did the surveys and got them for free. Free shipping. Can't beat that. So, another one I would like to tell you about is Prize Rebel. It's a great site. They have surveys, they have tasks, they have watching videos. You watch videos. They have a lot of variety of things. Like, again, I take 15 to 30 minutes per day per survey company and do the surveys. And they have different things for cash out, but I always choose the Amazon gift cards. So I can get products like these for free and free shipping because I'm an Amazon Prime member. So that's on that. And the other company I want to tell you about, well, like I said, all links are listed below. And again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Another one I like to tell you about is Ibotta. It's free to join, and it's a cash out on most of your everyday needs. And now it's an in-store and online on purchases. And it's a great site. And especially when you go to the grocery store, things like that, they have all sorts of things they give cash back on. Wonderful site. I use it quite a bit, but the cash out is $20. When you cash out, you have a choice of different things, but I always choose the Amazon gift card so I could get hair products like these for free, no shipping. I think this is a great method, and like I said, I would like to bring more videos on helping you with the budget, because budgets are really just going wild now, and I think this is a great method for somebody to take care of their hair care, and it's not messing with the wallet. Like, again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, any comments, please feel free. And I would like to bring you more videos like every Thursday. And thank you, and take care.